Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly press on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press on the notification bell to get notifications anytime I upload a new video. In this session, I'm going to show you how to set up your Tonkeeper wallet to be able to buy coins on the Ton blockchain. So let's dive into the video. So the Tonkeeper wallet is a wallet that can help you to be able to buy coins that can do 100x, 20x, 1000x on the Ton blockchain. So that is where you can buy the coins from, right? So for those who want to get this wallet, if you are using iPhone, you can either go to your Apple Play Store to download this wallet. The name of the wallet is called Tonkeeper. If you are using Android, just go to your Google Play Store to download Tonkeeper wallet. But I'm using my laptop, so I'm going to download a browser extension to be able to use a Tonkeeper wallet, right? So let me get the extension in here, add extension. So now the wallet has been downloaded and I can now access my Tonkeeper wallet, right? So let me go back, extensions, Tonkeeper. All right, so when you're done downloading your Tonkeeper wallet on your phone, on your laptop, on your tablet, the first thing that you're going to see is this: welcome to Tonkeeper. So now all what you need to do in here is you press on get started. So when you press on get started, you see a window will pop up like this. It creates a new wallet, import wallet with a 24 secret phrase, pair with keystone, pair with ledger. So for example, we are new to use this Tonkeeper wallet, so we go to what? Create a new wallet. But let's take it that if you already had an already existing Tonkeeper wallet, maybe you lost your phone, but you have your 24 secret phrase for your Tonkeeper wallet, you just have to key in, go to existing wallets and key in those 24 words, and you get your wallet back. So we are new to Tonkeeper, so you press on new wallet, right? So something like this will pop up, something like this will show on your screen. So you continue. So you need to write these words down. These are your recovery phrase. When you lose these words, you will lose access to, when you lose this word, you will lose access to your wallet, and anyone can access your wallet. So for example, you all in here have seen my 24 secret phrase. That means that my wallet is compromised. My wallet is not safe. Any of you can access my wallet, and if I deposit any funds into that wallet, you can have access to it and even withdraw it out, right? But I know you guys are not going to do that, right? So all what you need to do is that you need to write these words down and press on continue. So at this session, it will tell you that to check whether you've written down your recovery phrase correctly, please enter the fourth, 15th, and 19th word, right? So when I wrote the words down, the fourth word was what? Giraffe. So I have to type in here giraffe, right? Giraffe. So when you make a mistake, it's going to show that you've made a mistake. That's not it. And the 15th word was goose. So I type in goose in here. And the 19th word was Arctic. So I type Arctic in here. Then you press what? Continue. Then I have to set a password for it. So let me set a password for my wallet. So with your phone, you can either secure it with your fingerprint or your Face ID, right? So I've set my password to it. So now congratulations, you've set up your wallet. So now my wallet is set up. So let's visit the wallet again. Let's visit it again and see how it appears. So this is what, when you are done, you see. But for those using the phone, right, when you download the wallet and you press on, you see you are welcome and you press get started, it will automatically create the wallet for you. So what you need to do is that you see something called back up your wallet, right? So when you press on back up your wallet, you'll be able to get the secret words for your wallet, the 24 words for your wallet, and you have to write it down and keep it safe. And when you are done, you are done with your setting up your wallet. So it was nice having you all in this session. In the next session, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell coins in your Tonkeeper wallet. This blockchain is trending. The Ton blockchain is trending, and a lot of people are making crazy gains from it. So I'm going to show you how you can buy coins in your Ton wallet. Thank you for joining me. Bye.